In the United States, the Supreme Court has begun hearing arguments in a case that could overturn America's healthcare system and reshape the presidential election race. 2 years after it passed Congress, America's highest court is being asked by 26 states to throw out Barack Obama's controversial healthcare law. Washington correspondent Craig McMurtry reports.
The most prized seat in Washington.
This is for today only. If you take this one, you lose your spot in line for tomorrow.
After days of waiting, hands were outstretched for a ticket inside the Supreme Court.
We're very, very excited. It's like Willy Wonka.
This is a big one.
We got to protect our health care, and protecting the Affordable Care Act is protecting our health.
Supporters of the US president's contentious healthcare overhaul far outnumbered opponents, as the 9 justices of the Supreme Court, 5 appointed by Republican presidents, 4 by Democrats, convened for the first of 3 days of oral argument.
Mr. Chief Justice, and may it please the court, this case presents issues of great moment.
The landmark law extends coverage to 30 million uninsured Americans. 57-year-old Kathy McClure's adult son has diabetes, her daughter epilepsy.
Without this law, they face a lifetime of struggling to keep covered and to afford it.
Opponents insist the US government doesn't have the power to require all citizens to have insurance.
It's trampling on our rights. It's trampling on the Constitution.
A decision by the court to overturn it would be a big blow for Barack Obama ahead of his re-election bid.
I want to keep the great system we have, that we can make the choices, our doctors can make the choices.
Even if, as most law experts expect, the court upholds it, the politically charged argument won't end.
I think we should have health care for everybody. My husband doesn't.
I think it's a privilege. She thinks it's a right.
Opinion polls show a majority of Americans still oppose the Affordable Care Act. The Supreme Court is expected to deliver its ruling in June. Craig McMurtry, ABC News, Washington.